Hello guys, from where you're watching from, this is your boy Steven. It's a beautiful day here where I am at. You can hear the chopping of the birds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you put your money on Troy Investor. Okay, so this is my account. What I'll do, excuse me, I'll click on the word trade. Okay, okay, so once I come here, I'm supposed to put my username. So my username is TI, that is my username. So I want to put the whole $30 in. So what I'll do with the amount, this is the amount that is there, 30 point, let's just leave 30. I'm not sure about the other. So I will request for a password, or this password will come to my Gmail address. So let me request. So I need to check my email address. Okay, you can see it's there. So I go to my email. Nine one seven 563 917 563. Nine one seven five six three. Let me confirm. 917563 917 563, and then I click trade. And you see the trade has been added successfully. So basically from today I'll be earning 0.5% of that for the next 10 days, after which my percentage increase will increase from 0.5% per day to 1% per day. And remember, you can withdraw your deposit whenever you want. You can withdraw your profits